So we had a bit of trouble. I'll put the picture into the video. But we had a bit of trouble with the Jeep on our way home yesterday. As you can see, let me get my finger out of the way. The U-joint sheared right off, and the drive shaft was hanging down. You can see it did a little bit of damage to my muffler there, banged it up a bit, but nothing else looks damaged, so that's good. At least not from this angle. I'll go check it from the other side too. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but basically I pulled the drive shaft out on the side of the highway and stuck a condom on the end there because I drive down a lot of gravel roads and I didn't really want to get it all full of gunk. And I always have condoms in my med kit because they're very useful. And I always carry my med kit because you never know what's going to happen, right? Yeah. So now I just need to replace that part there, which looks pretty simple. Looks like it's only about 4 bolts on there. And then I can put the drive shaft back on. Wow. It's pretty disgusting under here. Let's go see on the other side. I love these foam mats for working on the Jeep. I probably should have it jacked up to do this, but sorry about that. Okay. So here's the other side. Yeah. So that looks like it should actually be a fairly easy fix. And I got some holes in my muffler. Right there, little tiny pinholes. But it doesn't look like anything else is damaged. So that's good. Yes, I know my padding underneath there is coming all out. I actually wrapped some galvanized wire around my drive shaft last year. That was fun to get off. So I think maybe that's kind of pulled some of that down. Transfer case looks a little gritty. Everything looks pretty good though. Being eaten by ants. I must be laying on an anthill. Oh. So here's the drive shaft. It's very dirty, but it doesn't look like it got bent. Don't mind the garbage. So that's good. Maybe I'll just go in through the other side, because that thing is heavy. Don't mind the garbage, I got kids. I might actually have to replace this part here if I can. I don't know if you even can. Kind of looks like it can be pounded out. Let's see. Yeah. So I guess when it's sheared off, Wow, that flashlight sucks. I guess when it sheared off, it took a big chunk of this with it. So I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to salvage this drive shaft. I might have to replace the whole thing. I guess we shall see.
I guess you locked the back door, hey? Or did I lock it?
No.
Baby shaft. That's not good. Where your seal rides is rotten. Or not rotten, but rusted up. I'll have to clean that. So yeah, this been off for a long time. Look how old the markings. 03. 180,000 kilometers.
It's the same part number.
Yeah, it is?
Yeah.
Perfect then. See how yours is shiny? That has to be on. Have to get it grubby and that shows it's been sitting outside just for such a long time. Different part number.
No, same part number.
No. 6 or that's 5.2, yeah. I thought that was a 6.
You're crazy. So this is the old one. And
You don't fall apart and shattered wheel.
yeah, it's it was not all that great. I'm gonna check and see if the condom's still on the, what do you call that part? Nope, it's off. Broke, snapped. Still looks pretty clean though. Okay. Well, I'm hoping that these bolts come off fairly easy. I'm sure it won't be as easy as all that, but we're gonna give her a shot anyways. Everything else actually looks pretty decent under here. You can see there, dinged up my muffler a little bit. Walking around.
Yeah, I only got just a standard tire iron. I thought I might have had a breaker bar and an extension.
Here's the old pinion.
Are you filming my ass?
Yep.
It's in.
It's in?
Yep, it's done.
Woohoo!
You want me to make some noise for your video?
My savior! Yay!